Hero, can you please put some water inside all of the cups? In this one, put water in this one.
Yay!
Hi friends, welcome back to another video. My name is Sami and today I'm here with
Hero!
On today's video, we're going to do an experiment called the walking water. Can you say that, Hero?
Water?
Yeah! Do you know what that is? Do you know what ingredients we're going to need? Can you tell everyone that we need 8 cups? Can you tell everybody?
8.
And we need food coloring?
Purple, red, blue, green.
Yes, that's the colors that we use today. And you also need a jug of, what is this?
Body water.
You need a jug of water, that's correct. Okay, Hero, can you please put some water inside all of the cups? In this one, put water in this one. Okay, and now let's put water in this one. So we're gonna put water in every other cup. Okay, Hero? And now the next one. So we have 8 cups in total, which means we're only gonna put water in 4 of them. And this final one. Okay, now for the fun part. We're gonna put more water. No, I think we're okay. Now for the fun part. We're gonna put some food coloring in. Okay, Hero. Any glass that has water in it, can you put purple food coloring in this one? Good job. Now we're gonna make the water transfer. This experiment is called the walking water. Hero, can you put this tissue inside here and this tissue inside here? Like this. Put it in. Half of it in each, okay? I'm gonna do the first one, then you're gonna do the next one, okay? Like this. And we're gonna see the water transfer. So after about 15 minutes of waiting, you guys can see how the water is walking.
Hooray!
The red and the green have now made a little bit of orange water. And now if you look over here, the red and the blue made purple. And if you keep on turning it, you guys can actually see how the water is walking. And over here, this glass had nothing in it as well. And now it's a little bit of light green. Yay!
Yay! I can do anything. Walking water is what my video and that every day. I did it for a video. Thanks for watching. I love you, everybody.